In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote for YouTube Creator. We'll build a simple, repeatable system that takes you from ideas to published videos without losing track of anything. Start by opening Milanote in your browser and creating a new board. Click New Board, then give it a clear name, such as YouTube Content System. This board will be your central hub where every idea, asset, and task lives, so choose a name you'll instantly recognize. Next, set up your workflow sections as columns. Add video ideas, scripts or outlines, in production, scheduled, and published. Think of these as stages in a content pipeline. As your video moves forward, you'll move its card from left to right. If it helps, keep consistent spacing and simple labels so you can scan your board at a glance. Now capture your ideas, use a note for each one, and include 3 quick elements: a potential title, your target audience, and a hook for the first 3 seconds. Keep it short and scrollable so you can brainstorm fast without overthinking. The goal is momentum. Capture, don't perfect. When you're ready to plan a specific video, open its card and flesh out the details. Add your script or a bullet outline. Define the goal, whether that's views, engagement, or sales. List a few keywords for SEO and write the clear call to action you'll use on screen or in the description. This makes recording smoother and keeps your message consistent. Layer in visual planning. For thumbnails, upload inspiration or early drafts right into the card so you can compare options. For shots and clips, list key scenes and B-roll ideas. Having this ready saves time on set and reduces reshoots. As production begins, track progress by moving the card across your columns: idea, script, filming, editing, scheduled, and finally published. This simple motion gives you an instant overview of what needs attention today. Keep everything connected by adding links and assets. Paste Google Drive links, video files, and music references directly into the relevant card. Milanote will auto-preview links, which makes it easy to spot the right file without opening new tabs. Plan your upload schedule by adding due dates or a short note with the upload date and platform, whether that's YouTube Shorts or long form. This keeps your release cadence visible alongside production. If you're working with a team, click Share to invite collaborators and assign tasks to editors or designers. Clear ownership prevents bottlenecks and keeps timelines predictable. Finally, build a review space with analytics notes, high-performing topics, and what didn't work. Regularly capturing insights here helps you refine ideas and grow faster with each upload.